Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our new edition, a 2015 Infiniti QX70. There's a 3.7 V6 in this. We just serviced it, fresh oil change, drives really good. Super comfortable car, so ahead of its time as far as features go. So a little bit of wear here on the rear plastic trim, and you can see there just from kind of ordinary luggage stuff, but overall super clean. A little bit of a faint scratch right there in the door. Yeah, this thing is really clean, drives good. So it has all the features you want of modern cars of 10 years newer, like adaptive cruise control, air conditioned seats, heated seats, backup camera. Oh, a little ding right there too. I don't know if it'll show up. But you can see the seats are in great shape, has a sunroof. See here. Really nice interior on this. We'll go ahead and start her up. And it has 107,000 miles on it. Like I said, it has nav, it has backup camera. I mean, it is definitely loaded up. Super comfortable. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have an Infiniti like this or other foreign or luxury domestic vehicle, we'll definitely hook you up in our repair shop. Could get you back on the road for any type of issues. So yeah, definitely give us a shout, and thanks for checking out our video.